It's time for an ass whooping. This is not an intelligent way to approach this. Lee is a friend of mine. This is his son. You will be doing me a favor. Alright, listen. We'll both go outside. We run the house in opposite directions. We act crazy, insane. They are making grabbing their pants, tossing around till we meet up on the other side. We act crazy. You don't curse and stuff. Okay, curse. You don't mean it. It's just Michelle. But it won't be convincing. It doesn't sound natural like curse. Explain noise as that. Explain noise as that. I give that some thought. No, I'm not. I mean, you would have seen something in the house next time. Yeah, 3, 1, 2, 3. I've been saying with anger. We're gonna beat your ass, bitch! We're gonna kill your head off! I'm losing my mind! It's time for an ass whooping! I cursed. I heard. How did he get him? Are you sure it's just little pressure?
You like that? You got an old baby monitor red? Go ahead, no baby monitor. Please put his baby monitor. Yeah, it works one way, but that'll do fine. Use until someone gets you an old walkie-talkie left over at the station.
Down to left supposedly. You're too old to see me like this. You take a glass of water and you finish it. What's wrong with this one?
Can't that's it.
This one?
I can't.
Go.
You want to get that you need that thing? Hey, Mary. Sounds like the gas station.
Gulat talaga eh.
Stimulating.
I never got a chance to tell you, but I thought you were in here with your brother.
Tapos hindi pa na na-video yung gulat natin.
It was a nice thing to do.
Kaya nakita nila, no? Seryoso, kaya nakita nila. Hindi ba? Sabi ko sa tunog yung tunog ko, dito sa YouTube. Nangyari na daw yun, kasi sa pelikula, 2005 yung World of War, ay War of the World. Di ba ganun yung tunog? Tapos nagsishake yung ilalim.
Okay, so far...
Yung lumindulin na. Tapos may lumabas sa syudad na
You can't
malaki
describe
ano.
it.
Kumitat mo na. Bigat pa sa tunog. Kaso yung tunog na yun,
I don't know whether to look for a giant...
rinig sa buong mundo eh.
I definitely wasn't.
Na, yun sa isang lugar na naman sa movie. Pero parehas lang, di ba? Parehas lang. Pero buong mundo naman na ano eh.
I would say so, yes. Probably.
Over 6 feet.
It was very dark. Yes, it was.
How certain are you that this was a male?
Oh, I don't know any girls who could run like that.
I don't know, Mary. I've seen some of those women on the Olympics.
Ang paliwanag nila ito ang makita ano yun.
This guy got on our road.
Sabi ng police, pwede daw Olympic.
They have women's high jumping in the Olympics. They got the Scandinavian women who can jump clean over me.
Sila nang bininiwala yung police niya. No,
An out-of-town woman stopped by the diner yesterday afternoon and started yelling and cussing because they didn't have her favorite cigarettes at the vending machine. She scared a couple of the customers. Y'all have seen her since. And my point is, we don't know anything about the person you saw. And we should just keep all possibilities available. Dad, where's your note?
I don't know, baby. Why don't you check this out? Excluding the possibility that a female Scandinavian Olympian was running around outside our house last night, what else might be a possibility?
I'm not done asking questions, and I don't appreciate sarcasm. Do you two have anyone who might have a grudge or something against you? Maybe a church member who might not have liked the fact that you left the church?
I don't think so. Okay, I was out of line with the whole female Scandinavian Olympian thing. It's just been pretty strong, going pretty fast. And I was running as fast as I could, and this guy was just toying with us.
He's on his bed and getting sofa.
Baby, why don't you just change the channel on the television?
I did.
And
Same shows on every station.
every station.
Balita. Ayun. Yun, ibang lugar din.
Turn up the volume. Science first emerged in the late 70s with renewed interest in extraterrestrial life. They died out by the early 80s, dismissed as hoaxes. This new resurgence is wholly different. The speed and the quantity in which it has appeared implies the coordination of hundreds of individuals over many countries. There are only a limited number of explanations.
Siguro nangyari na yan, no?
Either this is one of the most elaborate hoaxes ever created,
Ayan.
or
May mahigis ibon pa nga dyan.
Sa mga crafts,
Siguro nangyari yan sa Guinness Book of World Record yan. Ay, replace ba yan?
na hindi na ano.
Hindi na ipaliwanag. Ito yun.
Extraterrestrials. What in God's name is going on? I did some research after I saw your crops. 2 or 3 guys can make designs out of the one in your field overnight. After 40 minutes.
Nasa tao pa rin siya, no? Hindi siya naniniwalang may, ano,
I can't think straight. I went back to the
may
station and had a
kakaiba.
cup of Elder's coffee and to try to think clear after that. I might make some
Outside the world. Tao pa rin siya, eh.
But I'll tell you something, what I said in there, it still goes. Your family has been through a lot. And the last thing these children need to do is worry about some crazy things happening in the world. So take them into town and get their mind and your mind